Hey guys, welcome to Aves Intelligence Technology channel. Today we are starting a new series, that is Hindi learning. In this series we will provide videos on Hindi learning. And with this series you will be able to read, write and speak Hindi within 10 days. So please follow all the tips provided in this tutorial so that you will be able to learn Hindi quickly and fastly. So let's start our first lesson on Hindi, that is Varnmala. This is our first lesson, Varnmala. Now we will start to learn about Varn. There are two types of Varn. First is Swar and the second one is Vyanjan. Now we will learn the first type of Varn, that is Swar. Pronounce with me. A for anar. A for arm. E for imli. E for eek. U for ullu. U for oon. Ri for rishi. A for adi. A for anak. O for okhli. Au for औरत. Ang for angur. Ah. Let's do some practice in terms of English sounds. As in a book there is no symbol, single A is known as a. When we pronounce A with a force, then it would be called as A. That is called A. Example is RAM, Ram. E sounds just like as the English alphabet E. KIM, Kim is an example of E. Now again E. This E is similar to the E which we used in the word each, beam. U will sound the O we use in TWO2 or BULL bull. These two will sound just like U in Hindi. Oo. This sounds when we used O in BOOT, boot. SHOOT, shoot. A. This sounds similar to the English alphabet A. BET, bet. A. This sounds the A we used in ASH, ash. BAT, bat. O. This sounds to the English alphabet O we used in BORE, bore. Ow. This sounds to the O we used in awesome, AWESOME, awesome. To the last three swars, there are no similar pronunciation found in the English alphabets. They are called as they are. Ang, aha, re for rishi. Now do some writing practice for swar. This is the sample format to do the writing practice of swar. You have to do this for all the 13 swars we have learned in this tutorial. I hope you have learned all the swars in this tutorial, and we will learn about Vyanjan in our next tutorial. So stay tuned, like, share and subscribe our channel.